Are you overwhelmed by financial struggles, feeling like there's no way out? Whether it's debt, rising costs, losing control of your retirement plans, I want you to know it's not too late to take back your future. In this video, you'll learn how to recognize your financial challenges without judgment, pinpoint what's missing from your plan, and master foundational steps to starting an online business. You'll discover how small wins can build lasting confidence and why consistent effort can lead to meaningful results. Watch this video until the end to uncover the secret ingredient to long-term success. These tips will guide you from rock bottom to financial freedom, giving you a clear and actionable path to improving your financial freedom in retirement. I've been where you are, overwhelmed and stuck financially. My journey included feeling unsure about how to streamline all the different approaches I was trying to piece together from courses and YouTube videos. That's why I'm sharing this side hustle with you. It has everything you need to grow an online business, even if you have no experience, limited time, or financial challenges. I've read countless stories of people in our 4,000 member community. There are accounts of members who doubted themselves, skeptics with past failures or fears of content creation. Yet they found success by following this proven step-by-step blueprint. This may be where you are searching for that just right business. Give yourself a boost and repeat after me. If they can do it, why not me? I'm ready to cheer you on as you build your online business designed for someone like you. If this sounds like what you've been looking for, comment "Escape Financial Despair" below, and I'll personally reply with a link to a free guide that shows you how to get started today. Recognize where you are. You're not alone in feeling stuck, ashamed, or hopeless. Acknowledging this is the first step. Imagine being lost in a dense forest without a map. The first step to finding your way out is admitting you're lost. Only then can you chart a course to safety. Begin with self-awareness. Think of your financial reality as a puzzle. Gather pieces like debts, income, and expenses without judgment to see the big picture. Transition to acceptance. Approach your financial situation like prepping for a race. Acknowledge the starting line without blaming past missteps or circumstances. Gain clarity. Tackle your finances like organizing a cluttered closet. Sort through everything with curiosity, not criticism, to find out what truly matters. List your financial challenges. Write down what's holding you back, like unexpected expenses or limited income. It's the first step to finding solutions. Assess your financial habits. Explore your spending patterns and saving behaviors. Look for areas where small changes could make a big difference over time. Consider seeking feedback. Share your situation with a trusted friend or group. It's amazing how an outside perspective can reveal things you might miss. Identify what's missing. It's hard to move forward when you don't have a plan, steady income, or supportive friends. Building a house without a blueprint leads to instability. Similarly, lacking a financial plan can cause financial instability. Lay out your financial planning. Pinpointing areas needing support starts with thinking of financial planning like designing a road trip. Map out routes for income and expenses. Discover reliable income sources. Imagine exploring ways to earn money like testing new recipes. Find something satisfying that fits your skills and goals. Build a support network. It's like joining a team. Connect with communities or mentors who cheer you on and guide you forward. Evaluate your financial plan. Take a close look at your current plan and ask yourself if it really supports your goals you've set. Explore income opportunities. Give the idea of side hustle a shot by researching online businesses with coaching and ready-made systems that make starting something new feel approachable. Join supportive communities. Engage with groups where people share advice and wins. It's like finding a circle of friends who cheer you on. Learn the basics of online business. You might feel nervous about using technology, but the right system makes it simple and user-friendly. Learning to ride a bike is daunting until you have training wheels. The supportive system acts as those training wheels in your online business. Add product knowledge. A step-by-step guide to selling a ready-made product online starts with understanding them, like tasting every dish before recommending it at a party. Master marketing strategies. Think of learning outreach techniques as sharing a favorite recipe. Find fun ways to present products so others can see their value. Learn about processes. Managing transactions and customer relations is like hosting a gathering. Keep things organized and ensure everyone feels valued and welcome. Enroll in training programs. Look for platforms with step-by-step tutorials, like having a guide walk you through every step, making things easier to learn. Practice digital skills. Explore creating simple content like a short video or post about interests. It's a fun way to build confidence. Apply learned concepts. Play around with creating a short piece of content like a blog or a photo story and see how it resonates. I've been where you are, overwhelmed and unsure where to start. In our 40,000 member community, countless people who have doubted themselves found success with this step-by-step system. Head to the description below, grab the link, and start building your income today. Give yourself a boost and repeat after me. If they can do it, why not me? Now let's go to the next tip. Build confidence through wins. Every little success counts, no matter how small. It gives you the confidence to keep going and build on what you've already achieved. Climbing a mountain begins with small steps. Each step forward builds the confidence to reach the summit. Learn new skills. Set a goal to learn something fun, like creating short videos or writing posts about hobbies. You'll enjoy the creative process. Achieve milestones. Challenge yourself to post content daily for a week. It's exciting to see how consistency builds confidence and momentum. Receive positive feedback. Share a story or idea and watch as likes, comments, and shares roll in. It feels amazing to connect with others. Clarify your vision. Set clear, realistic goals so you can see how far you've come and know exactly what steps to take next. It's like having a roadmap for what you want to achieve. Celebrate your wins. When you hit a goal, take a moment to celebrate. It could be something small like treating yourself. Reflect on progress. Take some time now and then to look back at what you've accomplished. It's a great way to remind yourself how much progress you've made. Start small and stay consistent. Imagine stacking one brick a day to build a wall. One by one, your steady effort creates something lasting. Consistent effort in your business fosters growth, like planting a seed and nurturing it daily leads to a flourishing tree. Focus on time management. Ever notice how days fly by? Set aside time in the evening to outline tasks for your next day, like sketching plans before painting a masterpiece. Develop productive habits. Pair reviewing goals with a daily activity, like your morning coffee. Over time, it becomes as natural as breathing. Be persistent. Learning to ride a bike meant falling and trying again. Building progress works the same way. Stick with it and step by step. Create a daily schedule. Start setting a specific time each day for tasks, like an hour after you wake up, to make consistency part of your day. Develop productive habits. Incorporate small actions like reviewing goals or planning tomorrow's tasks so progress feels natural and fits your routine. Monitor consistency. Track efforts daily. Use a notebook or app to see what's working and where small adjustments might help. Here's the bonus tip I promised. Believe it's possible for you. Thinking I can't do it can hold you back, like a door you won't open. A gardener who believes their plants won't grow is less likely to tend them. Belief in success motivates action. Practice positive affirmations. Replacing self-doubt with proactive steps starts with self-talk, like saying, "I've got this," while getting ready in the morning. Follow role models. Observing others' success is like watching a friend finish a marathon. It shows what's possible with focus and determination. Build a support system. Engaging with uplifting communities is like being a part of a garden group. Everyone shares tools, advice, and celebrates each other's growth. Practice daily affirmations. Start your day by saying things like, "I can do this," while getting ready. It's a great confidence booster. Seek inspirational stories. Look for those videos and articles about people overcoming challenges. It's like having a cheerleader reminding you that success is possible. Engage with encouraging networks. Join groups where people share wins and support each other. It feels like you're being a part of a team cheering you on. Now it's your turn. Go down to the description and grab the link to get started. Check out the next video on my channel for even more tips to take control of your financial future.